pretty much most contractors run Facebook ads the wrong way, where they hire somebody out or they do it themselves because they try to go straight for getting more leads immediately, right? And the problem of that is you're competing against everybody else that's trying to get leads immediately. Now, 5-10 years ago, this worked. It just did, because there wasn't as much noise as there is now. Now everybody can run an ad, and it's super simple with just a few presses of the button. So in today's quick video, right, I'm gonna try to make this run 5 minutes to kind of explain it. I'm gonna show you the Contractors secret Facebook ad funnel that's working right now and will continue to work through now and, I don't know, forever, right? Not forever maybe, but you get the point, right? So here's what we're going to talk about. So first thing we got to understand is this. Here's where everybody goes wrong. Everybody goes after this market right here, okay? So the competition is super high because everybody's trying to get these people that are ready to spend money like today. Like, hey, I got money, I need your services, right? So you're having to constantly compete. You know, either you're going for the lowest price or you're just you're having to pay so much money to get those leads to you first, right? And doing all this hoopla, right? The problem is nobody is taking the effort and time to go after these people here, okay? Small 3 to 5%, huge 40 to 60% ready to buy in the next 3 to 12 months, okay? So what we're going to show you with the secret Facebook ad funnel is how to go after this low competition here, okay, and bring them into here when you're ready to actually buy, okay? So let's get into how this works. So step number 1 is you're going to run video view ads. Now, I hear it already. It's in comments. People reaching out. Jordan, I don't do video. I don't have the equipment for video. I don't know what to do or say. Well, I guarantee you there are a ton of YouTube videos, ton of trainings that you can find a way to get a nice microphone, a cell phone like this, right? Everybody's got a freaking iPhone or Samsung, the other people, right? You got a fruit phone or this. And you can do this, get a nice little DJI mic or Rode mic, and just shoot the video. That's it. Like, you have to just get over that fact. So that's the barrier of entry. And when you think about that being the barrier of entry and people won't do it, well, you just be the one to do it, okay? Take the practice, get reps in, make the video, right? So already you got a barrier of entry that nobody else is doing. So see how this is such a blue ocean of what other people aren't doing and how it's basically a secret. It's not really a secret, but you get the picture, right? Because some people just aren't going to get a video. Like, oh, I'm not going to do that. Well, guess what? You do that, you're going to start stealing from this huge market right here. All right? So video view ads. You want to teach problem awareness, right? We want to teach things that people are already going to ask. If you go back to the Market Sheridan book of They Ask You Answer, perfect for contractors, right? So you want to talk about videos like these. Why most roof warranties don't cover what you think. Or the 3 biggest mistakes homeowners make when hiring a fence contractor, right? Videos like that that's going to get people thinking and going to educate them and answer the questions that they have before they're ready to buy. Because these people here, okay, they're in what we call basically research phase. Run out of room. All right, they're researching what they need to know and then saving money if they need to, or looking for finance options, which you should be offering financing, to be able to buy the $10,000, $20,000 thing that you sell or service and offer. All right. So you're going to run these as cheap video view ads. These things are like pennies on the dollar to get views, right? Super easy. And if you get really good at making an engaging video, even better, right? Now, step 2, you're going to retarget them by watch time. Now, what do we mean by that? Watch percentage. So in your Meta Ads Manager or Facebook Ads Manager, that's where you want to run this, okay? You're going to build audiences of people who've watched the video 25 to 30% of your video. That means that these homeowners are interested. They're just not ready today. Once again, you're just helping them and warming these people up over here, getting them nice and warm, so when they're moving to this 3 to 5%, they've seen your videos, they trust you, you're going to be the one that they call. Go figure how that works, okay? Now, step 3, you're going to stack content, which is going to give you the authority that you need in your market. It's going to produce trust, right? And this is the fastest way you can really produce trust, right? Besides all the bunch of other stuff you need to be doing anyway online, but this is the fastest way. So you want to keep producing new videos, answering the same question. Sometimes you can answer the same question, but just in a different way, or a different background setting, or maybe a better engaging video or a better hook, okay? Each one gets turned into a video ad and added into your funnel. So what you're doing is you're teaching people. The more you see you teaching, right, the more you own that middle of future buyers, okay? Because they're just going to get it warmed up to you. They're going to just get to know who you are, right? If you're watching this video, guess what I'm doing? I'm doing the same damn thing. I just gave it away. This is what we're doing. I'm running this as a video ad, or I will, for views, because I want people to see what actually works in the market, okay? Because I want people to work with our business that makes sense, okay? And people will know and like and trust me eventually. Hopefully they'll like me. I don't know. Maybe they won't. And they'll want to reach out when they're ready to do marketing for their business. They're ready to actually grow from like 1 million to 2 million, 3 million, 5 million plus, right? And we have steps for those in our program. So that being said, that is what's going to help you build that authority. So when they're ready to reach out to you, right, they're going to reach out to your business, all right? So step 4. Now, this is where everybody's making a mistake. Let's say you got 3 or 4 videos going out now, okay? Now it's time to make that offer. Now it's time to tell people, hey, if you are ready to do XYZ, give us a call. Here's our offer, right? So once somebody's watched multiple videos, then you can serve up a lead gen ad. You just target the people that watch the videos, right? So you offer whatever it is you offer, free inspection, limited time promo, or, you know, for like us, like our company, right? Hey, book a free strategy call, right? That's what I would do at that point. So by this point, they've already trusted you, and it means your close rates and higher return on investment is going to happen in marketing. And the cool part is, right, like these will probably be cheaper than if you just go straight to lead generation right out of the gate. Like you may be paying $60, $70, $80 to $100-something a lead, whereas these, after they've been retargeted from your video view, you're probably, I mean, my guess would be, and we've had this done with contractors before, is like $20, you know, or $30, right? A lead, and close rate going up to like 40%. Imagine that, right? Going from like a 10% close rate to 40% and cheaper leads. You can see where your return on investment is going to happen. So do you want the Contractor's secret Facebook ad funnel? I said that wrong, didn't I? If you want this, right, if this is something that interests you, a little checklist so you can walk through it, comment below the word secret, right? I'm not going to ask for your email or your phone number. I'm just going to send it over to you, right? So that way you have it. And that way you can go do this on your own. So I hope this video was helpful. Try to keep it short, but hopefully this will help you learn how to run the secret Facebook ad funnel, right? So you can start generating high quality leads for your business at a low budget.